welcome my listeners. My name is Dennis Mazi Loki. I want to share one of the common problems that face creative people in the industry today. And that is how to find a customer or how to find clients for your creative work. Once again, I am Dennis Mazi Loki. I'm a creative artist and the author of how to grow your creativity into expertise, as well as how to solving problem brings wealth. Here is how to grow your creativity into expertise. Solving problem brings wealth is somewhere in my bag there. Right now I'm at Canis Royal International School here in Elejiji Uoji, Port Harcourt, River State, Nigeria. And we happen to come here to do some few works here on morals. This is one of them. This waterfall is one of the works we've done. And a lot of creative people, creative individuals, especially upcoming artists, have been asking me how to develop their talent, how to find clients for their work. For today, I want to deal on how to find clients for your work because I will deal with the issue of development in a later date. I will deal with the issue of development in a later date. But today, I want to just share a few insights on how you can develop customers, how to find work for your creative gift. First of all, I want to start by telling you that you should define your niche. Of course, in a later date, I will talk about discovering your gift and the problems you can solve. But today, on the issue of finding customers for your creative work, I will deal on these issues, these topics now, these subtitles I'm about to share with you. The first thing you should do is to define your niche. You're not going to solve problems for everybody. You're not going to work for everybody. So you should be able to find out this particular set of individuals or companies or industries that you would like to solve their problem. Remember, your gift is given for the purpose of solving problem. So I'm assuming you have discovered your gift, you have developed your gift, you have acquired some skill. Now you want to use that skill, particularly this creative skill, the artistic skill, to solve a problem. So the first question you should answer is, who should be my customers? In other words, define your niche. Define your niche. It's important you define the particular customers you want to service their needs. This helps you to focus and concentrate. It also helps you to expertise, to gain expertise in a specific area. It helps you to become specialized, and it helps the audience to define you. You understand? So you must define your niche. Yes, when you know the area you want to focus, the area you want to solve the problem, the kind of industry you want to service their need, then you are well equipped to doing all that it takes to finding customer in that category. As for me, I choose to work with schools. Of course, this is one of the many schools we worked at. So I choose to work with schools, and I've been doing it for a number of years now, and it has paid a premium price for me. It has solved a lot of financial issues. I come to a school and I give them what I have. They see, they value it, and they pay for it. So the first thing you should do is to define your niche. Now the second thing is very important. This one now makes a demand on your potential, and that is, do a good work. Do a good work. Produce excellent work. Nothing sells like excellence. Nothing brings you to prominence like excellence. Nothing advertises you like excellence. Excellence is a magnet that draws customers to you. When people see your excellent work, they admire it, it inspires them. There's something in it that draws them to you, that wants them to do business with you. So, having defined your niche, in that your niche area, do excellent work, produce exceptional products or results for that your niche. This is the most important uh, factor in attracting customers to your creative gift. You must produce excellent works. I've never been to any of the places, schools we worked, that I didn't see a number of people coming to take our numbers, our complimentary cards, asking us where our office is. They really want to do business with us. Here alone, we have gotten over 20 people, 20 school owners, including church people who want us to use the same kind of gift to decorate their environment, their children departments. Remember, a gift is given for us to solve a problem. I have this gift, I have developed it. So there are a lot of problems it can solve for people. Things that border on decorative arts. Decorative art. I have the kind of art I practice in my studio, you know, on canvas, But this particular one, I use it to solve problem for a specific people, and I have a specific problem that I solve for them. I create um, children-friendly artworks that attracts parents to their schools. So it's important, having defined your niche, you produce excellent work. Excellence makes you to sell, and it is in selling that you draw profiting from the world. Okay, that's point number 2. Point number 3 is this: build caring relationships. Build caring relationships. As you are working and your work is coming out excellently, people are liking it, they are coming to you to take your numbers. Use that opportunity to begin to build relationship, to add value to their life. In those days, I came to an awareness that my present job was the key to my future contracts. How excellent I perform in my present job creates the magnet that draws future contracts to me. How do they do that? It is by the people that my work attracts. The moment my work attracts people, it now allows me the opportunity to establish, deepen the relationship with them. The first thing I do when I come in contact with a new person, a new individual, a new client, is I send them quality content. I introduce myself, tell them more about myself, and send them quality content, things that I believe can add value to their life. It could be information, it could be pictures, it could be anything, but you know your customers, you know the people you're trying to reach. So you must know the kind of things that add value to them, and then you furnish it with them. You furnish them with that. Okay? So you build relationship as soon as your excellent services begin to attract customers to you. Remember, your relationship is your customer base. They are the people who will tell others, yes, this guy is doing a good work. Your relationship is your how do I put it now? Your relationship holds the key to your future prospects. They are your point of advertisement. They will sell you more than you can sell yourself. They will advertise you more, through their word of mouth. They will give you referrals that will build you up financially and professionally. So you build relationship as soon as your creative, excellent works begin to attract new individuals to your life. And finally, after having built excellent relationship with your new entrants, people who come around to ask after to come around to ask about what you're doing, who you are, and all of that. Having established a relationship with them, ask. Ask them to refer you to other people. Ask your present customers to refer you to their friends. You know, that's the way to go. It's a networking. You count one, you count two, you count three. From there, you go. As soon as we leave here, we are heading on to a school in Rumukushi here in Port Harcourt called Glamour School. Glamour is a very big school, a very, very big school, and they are doing very well. Just like Canis. Canis is, oh my God. If I take you around here to see a lot of things we've done here and the quality of service I've seen at Canis School International, you will understand that these schools are doing their best to give our children the best kind of future that they desire. I love the way the teachers are disciplined here, the way parents are conducted and cared for, the way children are being nurtured, and the children themselves exhibit good values, not just home values, but societal values. The way they speak, the manner of their comportment, everything looks excellent. And imagine if they grow with this kind of mentality, what a glorious future awaits them. So ask them to refer you. Ask them to refer. This woman, the owner of this place, Mrs. Anne, has referred me to a number of new clients. You know, new clients. I'm so happy about that. I'm so happy about that. I'm going to work on those clients so that we get along and we get something done. So understand this. If you are looking for ways to attract new customers, activate these keys that I've shared. Subsequently, we'll look at how to develop your gift into expertise. And I will also encourage you in that line to get this book and read it. It is called How to Grow Your Creativity into Expertise. This is my latest book so far, and it deals with a number of topics that you need to know if you have to expertise with your creativity and give the world the best that life can offer. Thank you so much. I love you.